Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Valon Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in valon.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Valon Mortgage. Now click on the login/register button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Just enter your email address within the email address box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Valon Mortgage account right away. You can also click on sign in with Google underneath the login button if you have created your account using your Google account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can find the forgot password button underneath the password box, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Valon Mortgages. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.